Good morning, friends. Today is Tuesday, October 20th. We're going to go right on into another percent application. Yesterday we found the part. Today we're going to be given the part and we're going to find the whole. So if you'll go ahead and label up your papers, that'd be great. And let's go ahead and write down your learning target. When given the percent of a quantity, I can find the whole. Okay? So here's what we've got today. Same scenario, Paulson Middle School again. 75% of the 6th grade class is making a B or higher. And there are 21 students making a B or higher. So how many students are in the class? So what do we know? We know that 75% make a B or higher. And we also know that 21 are making a B or higher. So you may have noticed that that 75% represents 21 students. So what are we looking to find out? We need to know the number of total students. Okay? So this time, are we looking for the part or are we looking for the whole? Well, we know that 21 are making a B or higher. That's only part of the class. So this time, we are looking for the total or the whole. Okay? So here's what my strip model or my tape diagram is going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and put my 100% just like I did yesterday. Okay? And we're looking, we know that 50% is about halfway. 75% is right there. So 21 goes right there. Well, what is my X? Well, if I break this into 4 parts, which is what I have, 3 of those parts, we would be skip counting by 7. So this would be 28. So 28 students are in the class. Okay? All right, 28 students are in the class. This time, we're going to set up some more tape diagrams. We're not going to solve them. We'll solve them later. Okay? So this next one says that the campus demographics include 480 female students. This represents 64% of the student body. How many students are enrolled? Again, I'm going to put my 100% down here. What other percent do I know? When this is not drawn to scale, but I know 64%. 64%, does that represent part? Does that represent the part of the student body? Yes, because you have males and females. So part of them are females. So that's what our strip model or our tape diagram would look like in this situation. Okay? Then move on. 20% off sale is going on, making a pair of jeans $9.60 cheaper. What was the full price of the jeans? Well, 20% off. I'm going to put 20% down here. And that 20% represents $9.60. My percent, I still have to put my 100% in, but I don't know what the total price was, so I still have to find it. Okay? All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Now, this says play tic-tac-toe. We're going to work through a couple of these together, then I'm going to let you finish on your own. But look at this formula. Percent over 100 part over whole. This is not new to you. You saw this yesterday. Okay? Donnie completed 85% of his field goal attempts last season. If he attempted 60 field goals, then how many did he make? Well, 85% over 100. Is the 60 the part or the whole? The 60 is the whole. Okay? So again, I'm going to get my handy dandy calculator. I'm going to cross multiply 85 times 60 and then divide by 100. My answer is 51 field goals is how many he made. Okay? Questions so far? All right, let's jump over here and do this one. Trisha made 56% on her science test. If she got 14 problems correct, remember 14 is representing that 56. Then how many questions were on the test? How many total questions? We're looking for the whole. So 56 over 100 equals 14 over x. I do my cross multiplying again. 14 times 100 is 1400 divided by 56, and I get 25 questions. Okay? And you know, you can also scale up or scale down like we have in class before. How can I go from 56 to 14? Well, if you play around on the calculator, you can figure out that 56 divided by 14 is 4. So what would 100 divided by 4 be? Well, it would be 25. Okay, so I want you to pause the video and at least work 2 or 3 more on your own. And then we will conclude and take a look at our answers. Okay? Okay, since you've had some time to look at the problems and work some on your own, okay, the third one on the top, 4 apples were thrown out. Middle row, 11.7 ounces. Middle one, 1,280 reserved tickets. And the last one, 10% do not go on the trip. If 10% don't go, then 90% do go. Last row, bottom row, $18. Then 18%. And then the last one, $2,560. Okay? So what I want you to do at this point is go back to Canvas and find the practice homework 9, which is found on your Canvas page, and I want you to show your work and submit it, please. When I say show your work, you may use the calculator, but I do want to see your proportions set up. Okay, see you tomorrow.